Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the Tangled hot plant. This plant is an adorable hanging indoor houseplant, also known as pillow plant or Swedish ivy. It is a rapidly growing succulent creeper and has strings of small leaves in the shape of a heart. The leaves of this plant are green in color with slightly visible purple lines across the leaves. The purple lines can be seen when the plant is kept in direct sunlight. And do you know this plant does not require a big container? It can simply grow in a small container as well. My mom has never uploaded a video about this plant before. But today I'll just tell some simple tips and cares of this plant. My mom got this plant as a gift by a friend. And after she got the plant had a very bad health in the heat wave. But just after the heat wave, the plant grew really bushy. So my mom thought of propagating it. Simply cut the hanging stems of the plant. There is no need of the stems to be mature. Then get a small container to plant the stems. Add rocks in the bottom and after that add some leaves on top of it. After adding the leaves, make sure to cover it with a topsoil. After you have covered it with a topsoil, make sure to press it lightly, just like my mom did. Now collect all the stems that you have just gathered and plant them into the soil like this. It is really simple and easy. Just keep on watering it daily and give it proper sunlight, not too high, not too low. Also prevent this plant from getting direct sunlight. Direct sunlight may scorch the leaves and fade its color. Therefore, it is best to place them in shady places where they won't have direct exposure to sunlight. But as it's about to be winter season, there is not much sunlight in Delhi. So my mom has kept these plants in the rooftop. But as soon as the winter season arrives, my mom will bring them down. As you know, after planting, you have to always water your plants. So here my mom is simply watering on the soil a little bit. Make sure to water till the water comes out of the drainage holes. After 2 to 3 weeks, you will see new branches coming out. Also, this plant will grow very fast when you use loamy soil. But any other soil is also fine. Organic matter also attracts beneficial organisms that help to keep the soil healthy and alive. You can add a mulch of shredded leaves, as it will work as a mulch as well as it will create a rich loamy soil as they decompose. And if you have not got this plant yet, then make sure to get it. It is a really small plant which can be used for decoration purposes as well. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.